Would you like to make a positive impact in the world and you want to be a role model? See, the big problem is many people don't know how to create a positive impact in other people's lives and how they can be role model to their family members, friends, and other people. I was never a role model till 2018. My life was just my corporate life, working for 9 hours, going for sales calls, completing target, and coming to home, taking salary every month. That was my life. But in today's video, you will discover there are 4 ways to make a difference in people's life, to help to serve people that you come in contact with, as well as your environment overall. So you can become a great role model for all the other people, where your family will feel so proud of you. Hi, my name is Amol Karale and I'm MRM and Law of Attraction Specialist. MRM stands for Morning Ritual Miracle, and till date I've trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. Now, these are the 4 ways which I started working, and the moment I started doing it, I started influencing, I became a role model, I started impacting people's life. Many people have gone through some amazing shift, transformation in their mindset, habit, belief, and attitude. So the first way, be there for people, be authentic and be vulnerable. See, most of the time we are not authentic. We don't show the darker side of our life. We always talk about success, but hardly there are few people who talk about their failure, their struggle, their challenges, whatever they have gone through. And if you really want to become a role model, you need to be honest, you need to be authentic, you need to be vulnerable, and you should always care, love for other people. You need to be there for them consistently. See, in fact, when I did this morning ritual in 2018, it changed my life. And when I started helping people, every morning I will wake up at 5 o'clock, not for me, but for my community. So I'm always there with high energy, with certainty, with feelings, and I will teach them on how to do morning rituals. 90 minutes of rituals every morning we do it at the life, because I generally want to help people to become their best version in all these 5 key areas of life. So you need to care for people, you need to love people, and you need to help and serve them to achieve their goals and dreams. Because the moment you help other people, the moment you add values in people's life, the more money you will start getting in your life. So it's all about having blessings. Every day, I get few messages: Amol, thank you so much for changing my life, for helping me to form this new habit, for helping me to become a 5 riser, and which gives me a different feeling altogether. Money can't give that feeling, because I have done 3 business. I have made every month, I was making 1 lakh in my corporate world, but that was not really giving me fulfillment and peace. But the moment I started serving them, it really gave me a different feeling altogether. So be always there for people. That's the first thing. The second way, you need to project positive energy to the world. See, because there are a lot of negative things that are going on, people are gossiping, there are a lot of negative energy, and if you can spread positive vibes, and if your content, if you start sharing to the world, and with your content, if people are feeling that changes, people are going through that shift, you are doing some awesome job. So your job is to spread a lot of positivity. Still, I remember in COVID time, there were so many people who were going through some negativity. A lot of people might have lost their job. Some people, they lost their family members. Some parents might have lost their kids. Some kids lost their parents. There was some tough time. But during that time, what I did was just to give that energy in every morning, so that people are having that positive vibes, and they don't easily give up. So you need to spread positive vibes. You can spread positive vibes by, there are so many things that you can do. Like, I am making a lot of YouTube videos, I make content, I write posts, I write content, I have my own online courses, I have my own program, I'm mentoring so many people. So what I'm doing, I'm impacting them in a positive way. So second is, you need to start spreading positive energy. Third way, help other people to discover their truth and passion. See, till 2018 I was really struggling to know about my passion. हर दिन मेरे confusion था कि क्या मेरा passion है, क्या मेरा purpose है, why I am born, what are my strength, what are my talent, and I was big time struggling. And whenever I go to whenever I travel, एक ही क्वेश्चन घूमता था कि यार मेरा क्या पैशन है, मेरा क्या पर्पस है, इसी में क्या चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ जो मेरे दिल से आती है, जिसमें मैं enjoy करूँ. And I took long time, I took around 34 years to find that. Because how did I find out? By reading books, when I had a mentor in life. So help other people. Now I'm helping other people to discover their truth, to discover their passion, to discover their strength. And ask this some tough question to yourself: what do you really want in life? What do you want to achieve? What is more important to you? See, because everyone has a different definition of success. For me, success is all about helping people, caring for people, changing people's life. For me, for success is my family. For me, success is spending good time, a quality time with my family. So, but for you, success might be different. So, what is important to you? What do you really want? What is you want to focus on? Where you want to focus on? Because it's all about focus. My focus in 2018 was just to change my life. My focus now is to help my community to become the best version of themselves in all the 5K of life. You need to truly focus on other person. What exactly do you want to achieve? How you can help them? How you can serve them? So the third way is help other people to know about their strength, to know about their passion, to know about their why. The moment you do that, you'll see some amazing fulfillment. Fourth way, inspire other people by your own actions. And how to succeed in your life after going through so many failures. See, I always talk about my failures. I always talk about my challenges. I always inspire people by my actions. If I don't wake up at morning at 5 o'clock, and if I don't do morning rituals, how other people can do? So I always inspire by my massive actions. I always tell them, if I can change my life, a person who has failed in 12th standard, who has failed in graduation, who failed in his 3 business, who went through a lot of ups and downs in his life, whose English communication skill was not good, who was not good in writing email, if I can reach within 2 or 3 years, if I can become the best version of myself just by transforming life, you also can do this. So people get inspired by your story, by your actions. So don't try to motivate people. Some people, I've seen, they are good motivational speakers. They just motivate, they talk motivation, but on their life, they're not using their own motivation. So first, you motivate, you transform your life. Yeah, and see, some people they want to change other people's life. But what about their own life? Are you changing your own life? So the moment you start changing your life, the moment you start taking massive actions, people will definitely get inspired by you, and they will start taking actions for their own life. So that's the fourth way. So let me recall again all the 4 ways. First way is be always there for people. Have an authentic communication. Be vulnerable, be honest. Second way, start spreading a lot of positive energy in the world. Start spreading happiness, peace. Because the more you help other people, the more you serve other people to achieve their goals and dreams, God and universe will open a success door for you. Third, help other people to discover their truth and passion and their strength. Many people are confused, they don't know what to do in life. But the moment you start helping them, and the moment they get that passion, they will give you that blessing. Fourth way, inspire other people by your actions. Become a massive action taker. Okay, people will get inspired by your effort, the way you have become the best version of yourself after going through struggle and challenges. Talk about your failures, talk about your challenges, and how did you became the best version of yourself. The moment you talk about your own journey, people will get inspired. If you have liked this video, guys, do like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm on a mission to transform billions of lives by helping them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 areas of life. And if you have any questions, if you want me to make any videos, if you are really struggling in your life, if you want any help, do share your message in the comment section, and me and my team will go through and will come up with some powerful videos. And again, it will be practical videos which has changed my life, which will help you also. See you in my next video.